Hello friends, in today's video I am going to discuss about Web of Science Index Journal. Web of Science Core Collection Index consists of Science Citation Index Expanded (ACIE), Social Sciences Citation Index (SSCI), Arts and Humanities Citation Index (AHCI), and Emerging Sources Citation Index (ESCI). Also, I have listed out 10 best Web of Science Index journal which are having no publication fees. Before that, we should discuss about the Web of Science core collection. The Web of Science core collection is a curated collection over 21,000 peer-reviewed, high-quality scholarly journals published worldwide in over 250 science, social sciences, and humanities disciplines. Before indexing any journal in SCI, SSCI, or ASCI, that journal are included in Emerging Sources Citation Index. Means if any journal meet the quality criteria, that journal before indexing with SCEI, SSCI, HCI, it included in Emerging Sources Citation Index. And after quality check, that journal which is included in Emerging Sources Citation Index are indexed with SCIE, SSCI, and AHCI. Uh, Before that, previously, uh, Science Citation Index, that is SCI, is a citation index originally produced by the ISI, that is Institute for Scientific Information. Then that SCI or Web of Science group is owned by Thomson Reuters, uh, because previously it was intellectual property and science business of Thomson Reuters. So previously we called Web of Science Index Journal as a Thomson Reuters Index Journal instead of Web of Science Index Journal. But after that, in 2016, Clarivate Analytics has owned the Web of Science group. So now it is a part of Clarivate Analytics company. If the journal is indexed in Science Citation Index or Social Science Citation Index, it means that the journal is ISI Index and Thomson Reuters Index journals. So there is a Web of Science core collection, I have mentioned SCIE, that is Social Science Index Expanded. So instead of SCI, I have written it as a SCIE, that is expanded, because there is a little bit difference between the SCI and SCIE. SCI means Social Science Citation Index and SCIE means Science Citation Index Expanded. If any journal create the media in only CD or DVD format, then that journal is called SCI Index Journal. And if any journal available online instead of CD or DVD format, that journal is indexed as a SCIE, that is Science Citation Index Expanded. So I have selected some 10 best free journals from Web of Science. So I am going to discuss about these 10 free journals. Till now in Web of Science, 21,200 journals are indexed. These 21,200 journals are categorized in SCI, SSCI, AHCI, and ESCI. 91,200 journals are indexed with SCI, 3,400 journals are indexed with SSCI, 1800 journals are indexed with AHCI, and 7,800 journals are indexed with ESCI. So total 21,200 journals are indexed with Web of Science core collection till date. So now I am going to tell you 10 best free journals where you can publish your research work innovation. So first journal I have selected, the journal name is Defense Science Journal, DSJ. The publisher of this journal is DRDO. Website of this journal is given. The areas cover the scope of this journal, that area domain covered by this journal: aeronautics, armaments, combat vehicles and engineering, biomedical sciences, computer sciences, electronics, material sciences, missiles, naval system. You can personally visit to this website and you can find out the all topics covered under this journal. The article processing charges, that is publication fees, no fee is charged for publication in this journal. Second journal is International Journal for Computational Methods in Engineering, Science and Mechanics. The publisher of this journal is Taylor and Francis. Website of this journal is given, so you can personally visit this website and you can check the topic covered under this journal. I have mentioned the areas covered under this journal: novel mathematical models, computational methods and algorithms, application, existing methods, solid and structural mechanics in the discipline of aerospace, chemical, civil, mechanical, electrical engineering, and all these areas are covered. Article processing charges for all the journals indexed with Web of Science or Scopus database. There are no submission fees, publication fees, or page charges for this journal. Color figures will be reproduced in color in your online article free of charge. If you need your published paper in print version, that only case you need to pay the fees. Otherwise, there is no fees, no article processing charges, no publication charges for publication online. In third journal, I have selected International Journal for the History of Engineering and Technology. Again, the publisher of the journal is Taylor and Francis. A website of this journal is given. Areas covered under this journal is mentioned: civil, mechanical, electrical, structural, aeronautical, automotive, marine, communication, chemical, engineering, and etc. All these areas are covered under this journal. Again, this journal belongs to Taylor and Francis publisher, so there are no submission fees, publication fees, or page charges for this journal. Uh, Next journal I have selected International Journal of Advances in Engineering Sciences and Applied Mathematics. Publisher of this journal is Springer India. Website I have mentioned here. You can visit website and check the areas covered under this journal. So on their website it is also mentioned this journal is specific area of engineering and applied mathematics. Again, no fees charged for the publication in this journal. Next journal I have selected International Journal of Automotive and Mechanical Engineering. The publisher of this journal is University Malaysia Pahang Publishing, UMP publisher. Website mentioned. You can visit the website. Area covered in this journal. This journal welcomes all contributions from those who wish to report on new developments in automotive and mechanical engineering fields, and all the subtopics are given in their website. You can personally visit and check. It was not possible for me to include all those topics that mentioned on their website, so visit. My suggestion is to visit personally to their website and check all the topics covered for this journal. Again, no paid charges. Publication in this journal is free of charge. Next journal, International Journal of Computational Science and Engineering. Publisher of this journal is Inder Science Publisher. Website of this journal I have mentioned. Areas covered under this journal. Again, I have mentioned almost all area covered under this journal: scientific and engineering computing, related interdisciplinary applications, distributed computing, parallel computing, distributed federated information, knowledge management, blockchain, cyber security, cryptography, remote sensing, deep learning, artificial intelligence. Almost all areas are covered in this journal. Again, this journal is belong to Inder Science publications. So there are no publication fees to publish the paper in this journal. Next journal, International Journal of Continuing Engineering Education and Lifelong Learning. Again, the publisher of this journal is Inder Science Publisher. Website of this journal is mentioned. Area covered under this journal: interactive knowledge, media and their management, new technologies for delivery of education, continuing in engineering education and the learning organization, case studies, virtual laboratories, curriculum and course design, future development challenges, perspectives, future trends. I have included this journal in this list because uh, this journal covered a broad area that could not be covered under some technological journal. So this journal can cover all the generalized topic for the author to be publish their paper in this type of journal. Again, this journal is belong to Inder Science Publisher, so there are no charges for the publication. Only in case of open access, the author need to pay the fees. Next journal, International Journal of Engineering and Technology Innovation. Publisher of this journal is Taiwan Association Engineering and Technology Innovation. Website of this journal mention all the major areas of engineering are covered in this journal: automation engineering, civil engineering, control engineering, electric engineering, electronic engineering, engineering technology, information engineering, mechanical engineering. So instead of focusing on the specific topic of the specific uh, branch, specific field, they have mentioned broad field of that specific topic, means automation engineering. So under automation engineering there are multiple topics, so all the topics belong to automation are covered for this journal. Like information engineering means all the uh, topic related to information engineering are covered in this journal. Currently, there is no any charges for publication in this journal. I have personally visited all these journals. I have checked whether there is a fee or not. So all these journals I have listed in my list. All these journals have no publication charges, no publication fees. Next journal I have mentioned, International Journal of Management, Science and Engineering Management. Again, publisher of this journal is Taylor and Francis. Website is mentioned. All the areas covered under this journal is mentioned: supply chain management, mechanical engineering, material engineering, optimization, transportation, industrial management. All these topics covered under this journal. Again, this journal is belong to Taylor and Francis, so there are no submission fees, publication fees, or page charges for this journal. Next journal mention, International Journal of Indian Culture and Business Management. So all the areas should be covered under this 10 selected journal. So I have selected this journal in this list. The publisher of this journal is Inder Science Publisher. Website mentioned. You can check the areas covered under this journal. The areas covered like culture, management, economy of India, corporate governance, CSR, outsourcing, multicultural work teams, communication, market opportunities, current economic drivers, IT, knowledge management, learning, political landscape, effect on business. So all the uh, multidisciplinary areas are covered in this journal. So this is also one of the best journal for the author to publish their paper. There are no charges for the publishing with InderScience. So there is no publication fees to publish their author paper in this journal. Next journal, Indian Journal of Pharmaceutical Sciences. I have included this journal again. So the list of 10 journals should be uh, categorized. It should not be focused on some particular field like engineering only. So all these 10 journals cover the engineering, pharmacy, history, management, arts and humanities, social sciences. All the topics are covered under these three journals, under these 10 journals. So this is a the 10 journal list is already covered. Now this is 11th journal I have included in my list because this journal is having only 750 rupees publication fees after acceptance of paper for Indian authors. So I think this is one of the best journal for the people those are working under the pharma sciences. So all the area under the pharmaceutical sciences are covered in this journal. So all these 10 journals are very good impact factor. All these journals are indexed with the Web of Science core collection. You can personally visit the Web of Science uh, Clarivate Analytics website. You can personally search the journal which I have mentioned in my list, and you can visit their website personally. Also, if you would like to download the list of index journal in any of four core collection like um, SCIE, SSCI, HCI or ESCI, Emerging Science Citation Index. So for that you need to click on this download, and here all four lists are given. You can click over here Science Citation Index Expanded ACI. You can download this list of journal which are indexed. This is Arts and Humanities Citation Index list. This is Emerging Sources Citation Index list, and this is Science Citation Index. So are all list, you can check yourself. Here I have downloaded one list of Science Citation Index Expanded. Here they have mentioned journal title, print ISSN, online ISSN, publisher name, publisher address, languages, Web of Science categories. So all the journals are indexed with the Web of Science. You can choose as per your domain, as per area. You can select the journal. You can visit their website personally. You can check uh, what is the publication fees for single paper, and based on your interest, based on your research, you need to select the journal, and you can publish your paper in that journal. So I request all of you, please like, share and subscribe to my channel so that I can create more useful videos for you. Thanks for watching my video. Good day. Have a nice time. Stay healthy, stay safe.